Hello, we're going to do a little bit of blending in onsets and rhymes, and then we're going to do some work with beginning sounds. All right, the first one. R, un, run. J, ump, jump. K, lean, clean. Sk, ip, skip. Brr, ush, brush. Sl, eep, sleep. Did anyone notice some of those digraph sounds that we've been practicing, like the kl, sl, brr, sk? That's why we've been practicing those, so we can get better and better at sounding those out to read them. All right, the next thing, I am going to say a word, and I want you to tell me what the beginning sound is. The first word is jam. Jam. J, very good. The next one, wag. Wag. W, very good. Jar. Jar. J, very good. Web. Web. W. When. When. W. Remember, we're doing the beginning sounds. Joy. Joy. J. Wish. Wish. W. Jug. Jug. J. Last one. Wool. Wool. W. Very good. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk about our letters. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the letters and our alpha friends. So if you just give me a minute, we'll start a new video.